If I die, there'll be footage.
What's that?
Oh, that's the new rig. We shipped to Tacoma, so I don't have a truck. Yeah, it's all on Big Luke now. Relying on you.
Parker's and you.
11:50.
11:50. How far away does he live?
30 minutes, at best.
Guarantee he's still in bed.
It says his car broke down. His car didn't break down.
Not buying that.
No.
You saw him last night, right?
Yep.
Car was running fine.
Ran great.
No complaints.
Zero.
It's typical.
What's that? Yamaha Husky.
It's for sale too. 8K. It's yours.
This is what Adam does when he's gonna blow it off. Yep, straight to voicemail.
It's just the two of us here. Factory rider, just get a flight in.
I washed his bike. I washed his boots. Oh my God! I went and filled up his gas can this morning.
Gotta check to see if the wheels are still round after that. Somebody ate shit over there, bud. Where's Adam at?
It is now 12:37.
Oh, I figured he was out there ripping right now. Last time he'll ever get me to come to an open practice. Dude is absolutely launching that jump. I wish Adam was here to see that. Unbelievable. Do you think Adam would walk through brush to get that shot of you? Big Luke. Little Luke's here for you, dude. Adam would never do this for you. We don't need him. We don't need what Adam's offering. He could stay home, stay in bed all day. I'll start driving to the track. It's just Luke Squared. That's the name of the vlog now, Luke Squared.
We might have to call the cops for a missing person.
2 o'clock. Adam didn't show, didn't text, didn't call. He did text. Right there, he says, "I'm coming, don't worry."
8:30.
8:43. Yeah, I actually think the day's been more enjoyable without him. Luke Squared. Fuck Adam. You can name it whatever you want, but I would recommend one of those two things. This is Mero Engineering.
This is engineering.
How's the filter? It's good. It's good.
That's the filter.
We're dragging them. We have not crashed on the left today. That's just dragging them. Parker MX getting some surfing lessons from Big Luke. That's pretty impressive.
You'll never believe who I found running the water truck today.
Well, you know, keep busy, keep things moist. I heard it's pretty good out here, but it can only get better from here. See my new hat? In and out.
What's going on there with the camera?
I've been on the circuit. SE125. Well, it wasn't mine, it was my brother's. Called me Saratoga Speedway right down there in Malta. Chad Reed was there.
Chad Reed.
Dusted him. He didn't even get second. He got third.
Adam didn't show up today. You have any word on that?
Never heard of her. Somebody forgot their bike. How do you turn on the gas?